Okay guys, today's video we're going to convert a washing machine motor into an electric fan. This is the washing machine motor. This is the timer and the drain plug. The motor of the washing machine. This is an old motor washing machine. And the motor starter. This is the old electric fan which the motor is not working anymore, so I'm going to replace this with the washing machine motor so that I can reuse this heavy duty electric fan. This electric fan has only 3 speed and has a 150 watts power. We're only gonna use this motor, the starter, and that's it. We're not going to use the timer because the electric fan has a dial on it. First, I'm going to clean the motor. I'll try to clean the rust on it using a brush and a steel brush. And I'm going to put a new oil into this motor so that it will spin more easier. I'm going to use this oil, the 3-in-1 oil C20. This is for electric fan oil. You can find this in your hardware. Now I'm going to spray it with the black paint. Now I'm going to dismantle the electric fan. Going to dismantle the blade and the motor. I'm using a hot air blower to expand the blade hole because the washing machine motor is bigger than the original motor. Now I'm testing the washing machine motor wire because it has a counterclockwise and a clockwise wire, and we are going to use the clockwise only by using a multimeter. aligning the blade so that it won't vibrate. Checking for any waggle or vibration for the safety. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something, subscribe and click the notification button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you again until to the next video.